Hello, it's your boy here, Tommy T. I'm sorry. Hello, YouTube. It's your boy here, Tommy T. And I'm sorry, I kind of slipped up. I'm kind of eating right now, and I'm just my mind is kind of on different places. But today, today I guess I'll address two things. Um, I'll address my plans for this channel. But first, before I do that, you know what? I'll just address the plans quickly. Um, I know I said earlier that I was supposed to upload mostly TV tropes and stuff in Wikipedia. I will do that sometimes, but mostly what I'm gonna do here is I know y'all probably gonna be bored out your mind with it, but I'm gonna be posting Smeagollia lore. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just click on my other videos. You'll see Smeagollia. If you don't know how to spell it, right here you should see that Smeagollia. I'm sorry if you hear any people in the background. It's just my family. But yeah, so it's just mostly gonna be me reading Smeagollia lore and talking about things in it. It's my little con world that you this my last video had it in there. But anyway, um, yeah. That being said, you can check that out. What I wanted to address today, though, is a discovery that I have made. Because I was actually working on Smeagollia on my wiki, which I don't know if you can get to if I have it. Hopefully, I have it on my channel. But just look up Smeagollia in Google and you should find it. But this discovery, and it really pissed me off actually. Okay, so I was gonna post more lore on it because I only had two lore pages, or other words, lore story pages that basically that advance, my story, whatever you want to call them. You look up lore, you should know what that is. But anyway, let me take a bite of my food. I'm eating too. I'm sorry. Anyway, when I go to put um sorry, it's just too good to resist. Okay. When I go to upload the page, because it was in Google Docs. Okay, usually what I do is when I make stuff for my wikis, or when I'm usually posting it anywhere on the internet except Reddit. But if I want to actually do something proper, usually um I go to Google Docs because I like the editing and stuff in it. Not always, but most of the times. And this was one of the times that I did it. Anyway, I made this. I remember making it, which I'm about to get into. We're making this document right here. You see, Grassland Island War. I don't know if I talked about it earlier in one of my videos. I might have, but I don't know if I have. Actually, tell me guys about it. Tell me about it because I don't really remember if I did put it in my earlier videos. But this right here. Now, as you can see, this thing is empty. It's blank. Okay. Now, about a month or two ago, before I got out of school, okay, I basically remember fucking writing this. I remember writing about maybe about a paragraph and a half or so of this talking about the Grassland Island War. Okay, basically it was just telling them about like the explorers. They had immigrants coming to the Grassland Island and tensions and whatever. But the thing is that now there was another page of lore that I deleted, but I remember deleting that one. I did not remember deleting this one. I don't remember clearing it out. Actually, in fact, I remember putting it on the Smeagollia wiki. But I went to the wiki and I searched up, Grassland Island War, and it didn't pop up. But I didn't fucking delete it. So that's what I'm saying. My memory I remember writing it. I'm pretty sure it's not a dream of me doing it. I did it in reality. I remember writing it, and it's fucking gone. So I'm sorry for my profanity. I'm just a little kind of confused, upset, whatever. And so I'm assuming what happened is that they deleted it. Now, why would they delete? Why would Google delete this? I don't know. It wasn't anything like a conspiracy, really. Um, it was just a fictional story that didn't really have, in this one at least, didn't have anything to do with conspiracies. So I don't know why they felt they needed to delete it. Maybe this is just my faulty memory, but I feel like something fishy is going on. So if you use Google not Google Hangout, I'm sorry, Google Docs or any Google, whatever program, and I know sometimes they make mistakes, but tell me in the comments or whatever, have y'all guys experienced this? Like where you have a document, it could be either really, government exposing or whatever, or it could be, innocent or you know what I'm saying, like normal, and have been deleted for some reason. Because that's what I'm assuming happened to mine. But none of my other stories, besides the one where I explain how anime and manga, the history of it in my world in Smigolia. Now I deleted that one myself because I didn't feel like it was good enough. But I did not. I don't remember deleting that. I remember talking about like the time, like the year that it happened in this page in Grassland Island War. You can't really see it because it's cut off, but it's up there in Grassland Island War. Um, Let me lift it up. Now you can see it. I remember talking about the time that it took place, the island, which is Grassland Island War. I remember, talking about like it was what caused the war, the skirmish was like, I think on one of the either the natives or somebody got killed or whatever. It was a murder or something like that, and I explained it. So I don't know why. I don't know why that it got deleted. So it kind of feels like a Mandela effect, but um, I'm not too big of a Mandela effect believer. I don't think it's 100% false. I'm not like a big advocate of it. So let me think. Let me know what y'all think happened. I just had to get this off my chest. I'm sorry if it's a little bit rambly and you can't understand me that well. I wasn't really prepared to make a video today. I just had to get this off my chest. I had to tell y'all what happened next. I had to tell you about the format of my new videos too. So I mean, again. Let me know if this has happened to you before. Uh, so you know what? I guess I'll show you my website before I leave. Um, Let me show you Smigolia. Uh, Sorry, I just had to get my keyboard. There it is. I'm not gonna show you like the article that's not there, obviously, because it's not there. But I just want to show you. Hmm, that's odd. Oh yeah. So okay, there it goes. I don't know what happened. It does that sometimes. But this is a site for it. This is Smigolia Wiki. Just type in Smigolia Wiki if you actually want to go to the site. But here's the updates that I have to it. I don't have many. I added a list of, well, you know what? I'll get into that stuff later. But here's the flag of it, of my world and my language. The Smigolia flag. It's purple and white. I don't know if y'all can see that good because I have a sleep screen, a blue screen on. I don't know if this actually affects the video or not. The only reason I have that on is it hurts my eyes without it. I don't know if any of you guys experienced that, but I need it. But anyway, yeah, this is purple and white, based it basically on the Japanese flag a little bit. And this is a theme song for it. I'm just gonna play a little clip of it because I feel like I could get copyright strike for it if I play too much of it. But this is just basically the theme song. If it had a show, it really doesn't even have to have a show. But this is just the song that I associate with it with. Did it get deleted? That's odd. I guess it got deleted. I don't know. That's odd. Let me try reload it. Um, Maybe that's a sign I shouldn't even upload it. I'm just gonna play a clip of it because I feel like I'll get probably the copyright strike if I play too much of it. Can you see my mouse glitching? I don't even know. It's just kind of weird. If it don't work, I just y'all can go look it up. It's You know what? If you want to see the theme song for Smeagollia, look up Monorail Kiri. That's a bomb song. Now by that I mean it's not like really upbeat, but it's awesome. It's pretty lit. I think Lawrence would like the song. Zero if you're actually been watching this. So anyway, I'm sorry for the rambling in this video. I was a little upset. I hope y'all have a good day, a good rest of the summer and whatnot. Um, this been your boy Tommy T. See y'all later, Kona Highwood family. Yeah, Kona Highwood family, and out. Godspeed.